Did you know 1 out of 26 people will develop epilepsy in their lifetime? I learned this at the Epilepsy Awareness Day Expo at Disneyland. Let me tell you how we got there. My brother, Ethan, has epilepsy, a seizure disorder. My mother contacted the Chelsea Hutchison Foundation to get information on life-saving seizure monitoring devices. The Chelsea Hutchison Foundation awarded my family almost $2,000 of life-saving seizure monitoring devices, such as the Smart Monitor watch that alerts my mom and dad through text and phone call if it detects repetitive movements like a seizure. We also got the Sammy Alert monitor that detects a seizure while my little brother is sleeping. So, as a way of my family giving back, we did a virtual Stomp fundraiser for the Chelsea Hutchison Foundation. We raised $2,800 all online. We had family, friends, and Ethan's school donate. It was great. We raised epilepsy awareness and raised money to help other kids with epilepsy. My mom made a video to surprise us with an announcement that the Chelsea Hutchison Foundation was going to take our family to Disneyland.
What does it say, Elena?
I think my mom was more excited than we were. We're going to Disneyland! Can you believe this was our first plane ride? And it took us to the Epilepsy Awareness Day Expo at Disneyland Resort. These are some of the exhibits at the Epilepsy Awareness Day Expo. We learned a lot and even got to see the way they train a service dog.
See how she's using her nose right there? Good girl. So it might be on the table. Maybe you... Labs are very good at this, as you can...
We are in Tomorrowland. We had a blast on the carousel ride as a family. We even had lunch with the princesses. Here I am pretending to swim with Ariel. Belle was my favorite. Fun fact, did you know that the Raising Cane's mascot is a service dog? Me and my dad, just being silly. Over 2,000 people wore purple on Epilepsy Awareness Day. It was awesome seeing a sea of purple. And this is how my family got to Disneyland. Thank you to the Chelsea Hutchison Foundation for sending us to Disneyland through Chelsea's wish.